Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am having the coordinators of Concito 2015 with me, and today we'll be discussing with them their strategies and plans for this Concito. So let us welcome Vijay sir, Puri ma'am and Meet sir. So let's begin with the first question.
The most basic question that I want to ask to you all is, why do you want to become the coordinator of the fest? Like, there must be something that prompted you to become. What was that?
I never wanted to be sit back and watch. I always wanted to be on the sides of the responsible one. So I just tried at my level to be a part of Concito, and luckily, unfortunately, I became the coordinator. I just never thought about that. But when I became the coordinator, this is the biggest opportunity for me to serve my college. From Dhanbad has given me so many things, and I cannot pay back that, but it's my attempt to do something for the name and fame of college.
Ma'am, what is your opinion?
Actually, after organizing so many fests in the college, from petroleum department and also from LITM Chancellor, I was eager to coordinate a fest. Being second year, I was not allowed to, but through this stage, I wanted to deliver my talents, or so-called my
Coordinating
organization
talent.
plannings and management skills to guys and students of guys.
In last Consitos, I actively participated in that. Last year, I was the organizer, but this time I knew what was the problem last 2 years Concito. So I think if I will become coordinator, I can rectify that problem and will conduct this Concito a lot better than the other Concito.
So you wanted to remove those problems that happened last year.
Yes.
Okay.
Any specific plans do you have for this Concito, like about Star Night or
Tech
anything?
giant.
Actually, basically, it's a tech fest, so we are not focusing on Star Night. We'll be focusing on events, and the main concern this time is to look on quality, not quantity.
And talk about specific plans, we don't have specific plans, but we have so many plans. We are trying to
Exactly.
implement all of them, and let's see how much do they succeed. And we are working our best. We are trying our best.
Though it is a tech fest, yet Star Nights are one of the most important part of
Yes,
the
but
fest.
first we are focusing on the tech events, then on Star Night. Right now we are focusing on tech, and so the basic main charm is prize money we are increasing this time.
Look, Starlight is fine. We can have that if the budget allows. But the major concern is the events, the technical events, the Tech Expo. We are actually planning a Tech Expo this time.
Participation from
We
students is the
are
biggest
focusing on
challenge.
participation from other colleges.
Okay. So sir, actually the Melat event team analyzed previous year Concito and would like to bring a few things to your notice. Last year the participation from other colleges was not satisfactory, as you just said. So what are your promotion strategies that can fetch us a better participation this year?
See, the participation from other colleges first looks at the prizes. Okay. So what we have done is that we reduce the number of events and increase the cash prizes. So this will attract the outside participants more.
Other strategy we have not to focus only on engineering colleges, but also to bio and law students.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something. Last year the promotion was done in St. Xavier's, Kolkata. Is it being done this year also?
We'll try our best to go there.
For promotion,
But
we
why
have
they
a
will
new plan this
participate?
time.
Like, why they will participate? It's not.
Why will they participate?
It's not technical college.
Yes, but
It's not technical college,
technology.
but we have the summits, we have different events which can attract them, and it's not only the tech events, we have different events.
Fun events also we will be planning, but telling to your question, technology is not limited to engineering students or bio students only. Technology has no limits. Right, student starting in St. Xavier also may have better technology than us, but he has not opted that branch. So this will give him or a platform to develop or to know or to reveal their hidden talents. Maybe.
Let's move on. Like, we all know that last year T-shirts were all of inferior qualities, and that too not given on time. So can you assure that this time we won't have any problem
We
regarding
won't be
that?
bluffed with the substandard quality of t-shirts this time.
I can tell you one thing that I would be straight on this.
Yeah.
Type 180 GSM on Google, and you will get what is the quality, and I can assure you that it would be 180 GSM genuine. Straight.
So this time there won't be that problem, and we'll get it much before the fest.
Yeah, definitely. This time we'll be focused on and will not take the complete money of the t-shirt. So you can ensure that once you get the t-shirt, you give half the leftover after getting your t-shirt.
Okay. Okay, moving on to the workshops. There are lots of workshops in the Concito. Last year there was a workshop called RC Plane workshop. Okay, that workshop started a couple of days before Concito and ceased off at the last day of Concito. Though it was not a part of Concito, yet the first years were told that it is a part of Concito.
I don't have the details of that workshop, but
There must be some miscommunication. We cannot blame anyone, but definitely there must be some miscommunication.
There are such workshops. My point is that that workshop didn't bring any satisfactory result. Students were not at all satisfied. So what is your take on such a relevant workshops?
We will not be focusing on 3 or 4 days workshop. Single day workshop will be much, I think.
This year that workshop is being organized again.
We are not yet confirmed.
That
we
aerodrome-
actually have 3 to 4 or maybe 5 workshops, not more than that. The number of workshops will be limited this time, and we'll try to bring all the workshops which will be very very good, which will be efficient for the first years, I would say, which will be relevant for the first years, even the second years, and that will help them in careers. I would
Okay.
try-
Under the name of Concito, we will be.
Last year, the major loophole that we had is regarding the distribution of prize money. Like only the winners who are non-ISMite got the prize, but the ISMite students didn't get the prize. So like, what do you want to say
I have
about
a
this?
confession to make. In the very first year, this happened with me too.
Last
But
year
the last
with me
year it
too.
was.
Like with me too also. That's why this question.
This time we have reserved a specific amount for the prize money, and there will be no discrimination between the ISMites or the non-ISMites.
Till when can we get prize money?
For ISMAT, we will reserve a day. On that day, all the participants will awarded prize money as well as certificate.
So moving on to the next question. I think that students have the right to know how the funds are generated and how each and every penny of that is being spent.
Like,
So, and this is the question that most of the students wants to know, that how the funds are generated in Concito and how they are being spent. So can you please explain the process?
I can explain you that.
Yes.
I cannot give you transparency right now. The transparency can't be generated right now, but after Concito, there will be an audit, which is, it is always done like this only, that we have an audit, there's an audit faculty, okay? And so after Concito, we'll be having that audit, and that we publish it.
Cannot it made public
We can maybe make it public, but after the Concito.
after the Concito?
We are managing daily records of all the funds, and all the updates are being sent to the convener and the treasurer.
We cannot do this thing right now. Means. Before
Okay,
the-
right now I know you can't do this thing because there will be expenditures, unexpected expenditures maybe. So
After the Concito,
I can assure you that if the convener agree, I will do that.
Exactly.
we have to take permission.
For sure that I have to give the details to the convener and the treasurer.
Yeah.
For sure, okay, I will give him all the expenditures along with the bills and all these things. But if the convener agrees, I'll give it.
if the convener agrees.
Yeah.
But
The
sir,
convener and the treasurer agree.
sir, but there should be transparency. Like,
There should be transparency. We'll try our best to convince them, but we cannot assure yes.
anything more you want to say?
I'd like to request everyone to participate as much as you can.
Don't just sit back in the room. Do come, and if you want to do something for your college, do contact me. We have so much task for you. We can give you so many things.
Work,
And,
participate.
we need people. We need more people for promotion and sponsorship. And I welcome you all.
And enjoy the Concito.